Is it fair to say you think the Fed got boxed in on this one?
Yeah, and I think as Steve and Sarah were just suggesting, they let themselves get boxed in. I don't think it would have taken much in terms of commentary to talk the market down from where it was. I thought the market was way high in terms of expecting 75 basis points of cuts. It wouldn't have been that hard to talk the market down. They didn't try. That's what sowed the seed of doubt in my mind. Maybe they are planning that. I don't think it makes sense based on what we see today. You never know what the next 6 months is going to bring, but it didn't look like there was a strong case for cutting.
Sarah mentioned some of the criticism, and it's not just from the president. A lot of people today say even in the course of the presser itself, Powell's message was confused. Was he trying to back up as he saw the market's reaction? I just wonder what you think of his performance yesterday.
Well, you know, it was reflective of an underlying honesty that he probably doesn't know what the Fed is going to be doing between now and December. He probably hasn't even made up his own mind about what he thinks is the right thing to do between now and December. As to the remarks from the president, I find him an almost unerring indicator. Go the other way for the right answer.
What does mid-cycle adjustment mean, Alan?
That's an excellent question. You know, it sounds a little bit like we think we went too far and we're backing off a bit. There is this notion that you've heard from a number of people, not so much from Powell, that 25 basis points is, quote, enough to give a little stimulus or support to the economy. 25 basis points is next to nothing. I think if you're sitting on the Fed and you're an advocate of cutting, and obviously not everybody is, you want to be thinking about 75 or 100 basis points. I'm not an advocate of that. I don't see that the cards are pointing in that direction. But if you're serious about giving the economy some stimulus, you got to be talking about a number like that, not about 25 basis points.
I mean, I wonder if it was just completely pointless and not just a small action. If you look at what the dollar has done in response, it's climbed to new highs for the year. It's actually at 2-year highs when you're looking at the DXY dollar index. So, I mean, That's tightening of financial conditions.
That's right. And I think, well, so is the fall in the stock market. I think they're both reflecting the notion that these traders got way ahead of themselves in terms of what they thought the FOMC would do.